Well, the European bank system is quite resilient. Now, if you look at the system level, you will realize that the capital ratio is very high, that the liquidity of the European banks is quite abundant. The quality of the assets is very high. And, simultaneously, that, for instance, the non-performing loans ratio is quite low. So the situation is good, but we cannot be complacent. There are, some problems with market sentiment in other jurisdictions. What happened in the US, what happened in Switzerland, something that we have to look at very carefully. But again, I would like to repeat that and refer to how robust the European banks are and how well prepared are for a difficult context that might take place over the next months.